Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with NerdWallet affiliate program for personal finance referrals, full guide step by step clearly. To register with the NerdWallet affiliate program, begin by visiting the NerdWallet website. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Locate the link that leads to the affiliate program. Click on the link to access the NerdWallet affiliate page. Read through the information provided to understand the benefits of the program. On this page, look for the Sign Up or Join Now button. Click on the Sign Up button to be directed to the registration form. You will be asked to provide your basic personal information. Fill in your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password for your account and confirm it. Next, enter your website or social media profile where you plan to promote NerdWallet. Provide details about your traffic sources and audience demographics. Once you've completed the form, review your information for accuracy. Agree to the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Submit your application for review. You will receive a confirmation email once your application has been submitted. Be sure to check your inbox for any further instructions. If accepted, you will get access to your affiliate dashboard. From there, you can find your unique affiliate links and marketing materials. Now you are ready to start promoting NerdWallet products and earning commissions. Monitor your performance through the dashboard regularly to optimize your strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.